Okay, pause. Right now you might be wondering, what exactly is going on? Where's my usual studio? Why is the build already done? And to answer all that, we have to go back exactly 1 week. This is when we started construction on the basement where my studio is usually located. Because of that, I've had to move all my stuff into my bedroom, and that's where I'm filming right now. And now that you have some context, now let's get back into building the Charger's pickaxes. Okay, we got our paper blade, now let's cut it out of some foam. And because I'm in my bedroom, I'm going to have to do the sanding and gluing outside. We'll build up the foam for the handle, glue it together, and then sand it down. Okay, the build is done. Now, let's paint. I'm going to start off with the silvers and grays and then add some turquoise accenting. Now for the details. Okay, it's done. Enjoy the reveal. I'll see you next time.